This vast, dry and inhospitable expanse of land is typical of Chile's northern Atacama region. Home to some of Chile's most impoverished and isolated communities, many here live below the poverty line, currently set at an income of $90 a month. This puts even the most basic necessities like adequate food, housing or education beyond the reach of many people. Copiapó, a city 840 kilometers north of the capital, Santiago, has historically had one of the country's highest unemployment rates.
No tener los servicios básicos, el todavía estar en pleno 2011 y no tener un baño digno, es una de las grandes polémicas que se han generado, porque si bien es cierto se ejecutan muchos proyectos regionales, pero las familias siguen ahí viviendo bajo esas condiciones que encontramos que son completamente indignas.
The Atacama region's main economic activity is mining. The industry directly employs over 23,000 people, and many thousands more indirectly. In order to address some of the social issues that the region faces, Barrick Gold Corporation, the largest gold mining company in the world, spearheaded the creation of the Atacama Commitment. A partnership between Barrick and 8 NGOs and state agencies, the Atacama Commitment focuses on housing, education, health and socio-economic development, with the overall goal to reduce poverty in the region. Atacama Commitment partners are able to leverage their collective expertise and resources to create positive change in communities, something Barrick supports. Over the past decade, Barrick has invested $132 million in programs to improve quality of life in the communities where it operates.
Barrick has 2 large projects in the Atacama region of Chile, Cerro Casale and Pascualama. When we first started working in the region, we wanted to, along with our philosophy of contributing to the economic and social development of the communities closest to our projects and mines, we wanted to create a unique alliance that will allow us to maximize the expertise and the knowledge of a number of stakeholders so that we can truly make a difference in the life of these folks. That's what makes the Atacama Commitment unique, that it aligns Barrick and a number of NGOs and the public sector to try to contribute in this regard.
The first phase of Barrick's Atacama Commitment initiative will benefit more than 6,000 of the region's most underprivileged people. The program forms part of Barrick Gold's commitment to improve economic and social conditions in regions where it operates. Local NGO Un Techo para Chile, or A Roof for Chile, is one of the volunteer organizations signed onto the Atacama Commitment. It has already built thousands of homes across the country, with the long-term vision of alleviating slums altogether.
Un Techo para Chile, acá en Atacama, hoy día lo que hace es primero escuchar la demanda de las familias de campamento y una vez que tenemos levantadas esas demandas, ver si es que las herramientas que nosotros poseemos como fundación las podemos aplicar directamente con ellos, en conjunto en el campamento. Pueden ser temas de vivienda definitiva, soluciones habitacionales o herramientas sociales que mejoren la calidad de vida de las familias en el campamento. Nosotros como organización, claro, el apoyo de la alianza que hemos tenido con la entidad privada básicamente nos permite hoy día estar trabajando en la región y tener una cobertura total de los campamentos que están en la región. Para las familias significa un aporte adicional a la solución habitacional, en el fondo una mejora en la calidad de la vivienda y además tener la posibilidad de aplicar la mayor cantidad de herramientas posibles con la familia en campamento.
Under the leadership of Un Techo para Chile and its volunteers, Barrick Gold will contribute $4.2 million to help provide 700 families, or around 3,000 people, with new homes in safe neighborhoods. As Barrick's Cerro Casale mining project gets underway, the company is hoping to increase that number to 1,200 families. As well as building a substantial number of homes to replace slum dwellings, a Chilean NGO and Atacama Commitment partner Teleton has recently established a new centre in Copiapó to support families with disabled children. The centre will provide integrated medical, therapeutic and psychological services to local families. The Atacama regional government funded the construction of the centre, and Barrick is contributing $1 million for the management and operation of the centre after it opens. And there's much more planned in the Atacama Commitment programme.
Some of the other partners include the UN Global Compact, America Solidaria, and we also have a program called Class 21. Class 21 involves Intel, the Cisneros Foundation, and the Chilean Catholic University. And the objective of that initiative is to bring technology to classrooms in rural areas, allowing both students and teachers to use technology as part of everyday education activities that they have in the schools.
With work on several Atacama commitment projects already underway and many others planned, Barrick Gold is making progress to help reduce poverty in the Atacama region.
Everywhere we operate, we like to be a partner of choice, if you like, with communities. We understand that our projects are going to be there for a long period of time. So from that perspective, we try to make the biggest contribution in terms of the social and economic development of those communities. We have programs in which we prioritize hiring of local people, in which we develop local suppliers, and in which we invest in community development initiatives, always in concert with the communities so that we understand their priorities and become a catalyst for development. That's what we call the responsible mining approach that we have at Barrick, and the Atacama Commitment is a perfect example of that.
As a result of the Atacama Commitment, many of the region's poorest communities are now able to look forward to better living conditions and a safer, more secure future.